I've never had second gear chirp during a roll acceleration before the tune. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that little montage. I wanted to end 2022 by creating this video so that I can have one video that shows all of my progress for that year. I know that my channel is inconsistent, but that's because I have higher priorities at this point in my life. Despite all that, thank you for the support and kind words. It really means a lot to me. This car started life as a cheap, dirty $700 car, but I think it's safe to say that it has turned into a decent looking sleeper now. There is so much more I want to do for this car and for the channel, and I'm on track to be monetized sometime next year, and I plan to put the money right back into this car and the channel, so that should speed up this project quite a bit. If there is anything else you guys would like to see on this channel, feel free to comment down below. I hope you guys have a great holiday season and wish you many blessings for 2023. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next year.